Good morning, sir. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Chaudhary, and today's my topic is exception handling in Java. So, what is exception handling in Java? The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error, so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. So, in this, so we will learn the Java exception. So, it types and different between check and uncheck exception. So what is exception in Java? So exception is an abnormal condition. So in Java, an exception is an event that disturb the normal flow of the program. It is an object which throw at runtime. So what is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime error such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, remote exception, and etc. So advantage of exception handling: the core advantage of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application, and exception normally uh, disturb the normal flow of the application. So that is why why we need to handle exception. So let's consider 10 statement, and fifth statement is a exception occurs. So suppose there are 10 statement in uh, Java program, and exception occurs in statement number 5. So the rest of the code will not be execute. That is statement 6 to 10 will not be execute. However, when the perform exception handling in rest of the statement, so will we be executed. That is why we use exception handling in Java. So hierarchy of Java exception class: the java.lang.throwable class is the root class of the Java exception hierarchy inheritance inherit by two subclasses: exception and errors. The hierarchy of Java exception class suppose hierarchy of exception class. So first is a throwable, and this throwable is two types: exception and error. An exception is type is IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, and runtime exception. And the error is type of stack occurs, flow error, virtual machine error, out of memory error. So types of exception: there are two types of exception: check and uncheck. And error is considered as the uncheck exception. So however, according to the Oracle, there are three types of exception. First is check exception, second is uncheck exception, and the third one is a error. So let's let's check difference between the check and uncheck exception. So first is a check exception. The classes that directly inherit the throwable class expect runtime exception and error are known as check exception. Suppose for example IO exception, SQL exception, etc. Check exception are check at compile time. So next one is a uncheck exception. The classes that inherit the runtime exception are known as uncheck exception. So let's consider example of uncheck exception. First one is a arithmetic exception, second one is null point exception, array index out of bound exception, and etc. So uncheck exception are not check at compile time, but they are check at runtime. And the last one is a error. So error is a irrecoverable. For some example of error error are out of memory error, virtual machine error, assertion error, etc. etc. So let's Java exception keyword. So Java provides 5 keywords that are used in handle the exception. So first is a try. So the try keyword is used to specify the block where we should place an exception code. It means we cannot use try block alone. The try block must be followed by either catch or finally. So next one is a catch. So the catch block is used to handle the exception. It must be proceed by try block, which means we cannot use catch block alone. It can be followed by finally block later. Next one is a finally. So the finally block is used to execute the necessary code of the program. It is execute where an exception is handled or not. So next one is a throw. So the throw keyword is used to throw an exception. Next one is a throws. So the throws keyword is used to declare exception. It specify that there many occurs an exception in the method. It does not throw an exception. It is always used with method signature. So let's take the example of Java exception handling. So in public class Java exception, in main class, in try block, in data is equal to 100 divided by 0. So and in catch block arithmetic expression e system.out.println e, and sys out rate of the code. So the output is a expression throws in arithmetic expression, and the last one is a rest of code. So in an example, upon 100 divided by 0 rise an arithmetic expression which handled by the try catch block. So the common scenario of Java exception, there are give some scenario where unchecked expression may occurs. So first one is a first scenario where arithmetic expression occur. If we divide any number by 0, there occurs an arithmetic expression. And the second one is the scenario where null point exception occurs. So if we have a null value of any variables, performing any operation on the variables, throw a null pointer exception. The third scenario is where number format exception occurs. If the following if the formatting of any variable or number is mismatch, so it may result into number format exception. Suppose we have a string value variable and has characters. Converting these variables into digit will cause number format exception. Suppose example, string s is equal to abc and int I is equal to integer dot parselet s. This is a number format exception. So the next scenario is where we array index out of bound exception. So when an array exceed to its size, the array index out of bound exception occurs. There may be other reason to occurs array index out of exception. So in example, suppose int array of a is equal to new int size 5, and the array of print array of 10 index is equal to 50. So this is the array index out of bound exception. So Java exception is Java try catch block, Java multiple catch block, Java nested try, Java finally block, Java throw keyword, Java exception programming. So Java throws keyword, Java throws versus throws keyword, and Java final versus finally, and the finalize. So Java concept exception. So this is the exception handling in Java. Thank you.